Good morning, guys. It's our last week together, and I really wish that I could see your faces, but I can't. So we are going to review our Wilson, and then I'm going to be calling y'all later this week to have you read your sight words and your Wilson words and do some writing, and then we'll be done for this school year. So let's review. We've got ILD, wild, ild. OLD, cold, old. IND, kind, ind. OLT, colt, olt. OST, host, ost. All right, let's get my cards dragged over here. Oops. There we go. All right, so let's review first. Let's do. All right, tap it out. Shank, shank. Remember, we've got a digraph and a welded sound. So put a box around it. The next one. All right, let's tap it out. Hunk, hunk, hunks. All right, so we've got a welded sound, so we have to put a box around it. And then we've got this suffix s, so we circle it. And remember, you put a line under the base word. And remember, when we're tapping out words with the suffix, you tap out the base word first, and then the whole word with the suffix. And same for if we're spelling it. We spell the base word first, and then add the suffix. All right, next one. Z-ing, zing. Okay, have a welded sound, put a box over it, and that's all we have to mark for that one. All right, let's go into this week's words. Wild, wild. There's no digraph, but there is a welded sound, so we have to put a box around it. Remember, these are the exceptions, because usually the I would say I, but this is an exception, and the I says I, so it says ild, wild. All right, mind, mind. Put a box around it. Oh, that's a wonky box. All right. Old, scold. All right, so look, we have two consonants here, so that's a consonant blend. So we do two separate lines, excuse me, and then we box our welded sounds. All right. B-olt, bolt. All we have to do for this one, put a box around it. All right, and then the last one right? Grind, grind. So again, we've got these two consonants here. So we're going to put two separate lines and then box our welded sounds. All right. So that's all today. I just wanted you to watch this video today. I'm going to be sending an email out or an announcement out later with everybody's time. So I'll be contacting you. So practice these words and practice your sight words in your sight word folder because we'll be doing both of those tomorrow or Wednesday. Talk to you later. Bye.